Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious broccoli salad Caballero mix. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of crisp broccoli florets, 1 cup of savory bacon bits, and 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion. Don't forget 1/2 cup each of sweet dried cranberries and crunchy sunflower seeds. For the creamy dressing, have your mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and a touch of sugar ready to go. Now, let's get everything prepped for our salad. First, thoroughly wash and chop your 4 cups of broccoli florets into small, manageable pieces. Next, cook your bacon until it's wonderfully crispy, then crumble it into 1 cup of delicious bits. Finely dice your 1/2 cup of red onion for a subtle bite. Finally, in a large bowl, gently combine the chopped broccoli, crispy bacon, diced onion, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds. The dressing is key to this salad's amazing flavor. In a separate medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of rich mayonnaise. Then, add 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar, which provides a lovely brightness. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to perfectly balance the acidity and sweetness. Whisk all these dressing ingredients together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and perfectly blended consistency. Now for the final steps. Carefully pour your freshly whisked creamy dressing over the large bowl of mixed broccoli, bacon, and other ingredients. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently toss everything together until every single piece is evenly coated with that wonderful dressing. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld. Then, serve your delightful broccoli salad and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.